Welcome to VRT Systems SciTech SCADA training. This multimedia training session will cover the Longwall system. Please note that the tab buttons are active and can be used to navigate back and forth through the video. It is, however, suggested that you watch this video from start to finish and then return to chapters of interest. We can access the Longwall project by selecting the relevant button on the above ground overview page. You will note that the Longwall overview page contains various components. The first is a summary display of equipment information. The next is a schematic plan view of the Longwall plant. Also displayed on this page are the major alarms and warning. A tab bar provides fast access to the various Longwall schematics pages. The green tick on a tab means all is healthy, while a warning or trip symbol indicates a problem within that plant. The plan view displays the following components: 1. The main gate belt, 2. The BSL, 3. The AFC, 4. Shearer. The shearer schematic is animated and will move back and forth across the page. It also displays the current, speed, and shield position. The summary display provides information regarding various pieces of equipment. The first display is the Longwall mode. The mode can either be one of the following options: not selected, production, out of sequence, crusher only, BSL only, crusher and BSL only, AFC only. The AFC mode options is now displayed. Main gate 1 only, main gate 2 only, or main gate 1 and tailgate, or main gate 2 and tailgate. AFC main gate only, AFC tailgate only. The three sequence options are waiting for sequence, belt sequence in, belt sequence failed. This tick indicates a healthy system or on state, while a red cross suggests a problem or off state. The other summary displays are the emulsion system, the shearer water system, drive currents, CMU AC outlets, gas monitoring, permissives. The permissives monitor the system and will allow or prevent it from running. Note the new symbols on the permissives pane. Selecting the larger symbol will open a context page, while the smaller symbol indicates that a pop-up is available. No symbol indicates a status only. Two yellow display boxes can be displayed under the AFC schematic. One provides information on the remote isolation state. The other will become visible when the sequence defeat is active. Please note that any grayed out button on the bottom bar is inactive and requires different user privileges. The PLC button will open the PLC page relevant to the current page. The remote isolation button and the pop-up symbol will both display the same remote isolation pop-up. The substation schematic page displays a single line diagram and summary displays of the substation incomer and outlet distribution network. The side tab bar and the context symbols allow for access to secondary substation pages. Use the sub-tab to navigate back. The pump DCB button is located under the permissives display. Once open, the page has a side tab bar with access to outlets 1 to 3. There are 3 CPAM relay symbols on the page. A green tick on these symbols indicates that the relay is closed and healthy. An alarm symbol indicates a fault or open relay. Select the symbol to open a pop-up. The emulsion system page and shearer water pumps page show detailed diagrams of the 2 system circuits with summary displays and tank levels. The filter station page shows a detailed diagram of the cooling water, fire water, high pressure and emulsion dump valve systems. A diagram on the right-hand bottom corner lists the supply and return pressures of 7 consecutive roof supports. The DCB schematic page displays a single-line diagram of the incoming feeders from the substation and the DCB and outlet distribution. The secondary DCB pages can be accessed via the side tab bar. The BSL schematic page shows a plan view of the BSL complete with the drive system, crusher and scrubber. The AFC page shows a plan view of the armoured face conveyor with main gate and tailgate drives. The shearer schematic page displays a detailed diagram of the shearer system. As the information on this page is mapped from the DBT system, no alarms are displayed on this page apart from the IPC protection relay. The page content includes a permissives checklist, shearer mode status, speed and supply, graphical image of the shearer with current and cutting speed information, rulers and analog displays on both ends indicating the cutter arm heights in millimeters, trend display of shearer position. The Dupline system overview page shows a single-line diagram of the AFC and BSL Dupline systems. Note, the correct user privilege is required to configure the channels. The roof supports schematic page shows a bar graph profile of the average pressures of each of the supports. The shearer position is also shown on this display. The convergent monitors and emulsion pressure monitors displays can be found in the right-hand bottom corner. A roof support trend display is located on the left-hand side. The trended roof support is selected from the group profile display by means of a slider bar. After selecting a support, the left and right leg pressures, ram and shearer position are displayed as separate pens. The current values as well as the cursor values can be displayed. The last tab in the Longwall system is the network page. This page provides a line diagram of the communication between Cytect and the PLC communications network. A comms watchdog is located in the right-hand bottom corner. A green tick shows all nodes of communication are healthy. A blank square indicates that either the Ethernet or ControlNet communication is down. Note, if both the Ethernet and ControlNet comms are down, a fault symbol will fill both squares. Select the PLC symbol to open the relevant page. Left-click a PLC card to display a pop-up. This concludes our Longwall training session.